So we are very excited to be celebrating Honolulu Community College's 100th birthday, and we are the oldest community college in the state, which makes us incredibly proud of all that we've done to serve the needs of the state, whether it be in the industry, transferring on to UH Manoa, Hilo, or West Oahu, or doing various other things for our students. Honolulu Community College is very unique because of the breadth and diversity of courses that we offer. We started back in 1920 with 3 trades programs, and I think many people in the state think of us as a career and technical education focused campus. But we also have a lot of students who are majoring in the liberal arts, in Hawaiian studies, in natural sciences, who plan to transfer on for their bachelor's degrees too. If I had to pick one thing about why Honolulu Community College is a draw for students, I would say it's our sense of ohana. Our students here love being here. They feel well taken care of. Many of our students don't want to leave our campus and transfer on. Of course, we want to see them go on and get their further degrees, but it's also nice to see the students who feel so comfortable being on our campuses.
What I like about the campus is that you got students from like Waianae, Ewa Beach, from the windward side, Kailua, Kaneohe, all the way from like Kahala and Hawaii Kai side. What keeps me here is, well, I'm going to school here and I just graduated last semester with my degree in criminal justice, and I like seeing the smiling faces on this campus because, you know, in our office we put on the events and we don't want just them to come to school, we want them to have a good time as well.